Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are back again in Dallas, Texas, looking at this gorgeous modern house for sale. And I want to give a huge thank you to the listing agent, Matt Scobee with Iconic Real Estate and the Avant Group for making this tour possible. I'll make sure to leave all the information in the description below. So the first thing right off the bat is that beautiful modern look. You have the stucco. You also have some accents surrounding the property. I love our beautiful LED light fixtures that really just illuminate this. And then you see the LED lighting surrounding the perimeter of the home. So you also have some wood accents on the ceiling, and look how modern this covered front porch is, family. Absolutely stunning. So the good thing about this particular property is that you are about 10 miles away from downtown Dallas. You also have, of course, a lot of amenities, growing amenities right outside of this community. So that's a plus as well. All right. So let's get you inside of this beautiful home. First thing you see is the two-story foyer. You have these beautiful pendant lights here, recessed lights surrounding the entire property. And then I'll make sure you see the front, so that gives you a better idea of this layout. Not bad. So you also are going to have white oak hardwood floors surrounding the property. In some of the bedrooms, you are going to have carpet. And I love that we have our catwalk straight ahead as well. So let's get you right over here to the right so you can see the first room. So the cool thing about this one is you see that it is, furnished as if it was a study, but this is going to be your first bedroom. So if you want to use this as a guest suite, that's perfectly fine. Or if you want to use this as a study, you can certainly do that as well. But the one thing I want you to pay attention to is how open and spacious this entire room is. So right over here, you are going to have a nice little closet. Like we always mention, doesn't need to be too big, right? For a guest suite, just enough for a couple of days clothes, and then they can be on their way. But look at this. You see that we have the quartz countertops, the custom cabinets. You got your cabinetry right above your toilet as well. And then of course the mirror is going to extend all the way to the ceiling. And look at this. Look how modern this shower is. Beautiful shower surround. The Avant Group did a fantastic job of the selection of the materials, really just making it extremely modern, especially for the community where there's a lot of new development happening and you want to take advantage while you can. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a sneak peek right here first and foremost. Okay, so this is going to connect to your primary closet, but why not, right? We're already right here. So you got your sink there. Your washer and dryer hookup is right over here to the right. And then of course, you're gonna have a nice little storage closet that you get to take advantage of. And make sure you stay tuned because I cannot wait to show you the primary closet. I think you're gonna find it perfect. Just that's all I can tell you. Don't skip the video though and skip to that end. Enjoy yourself. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. This is a complete smart house. So we had the good fortune of featuring this particular builder about a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago. And I think y'all found it fascinating and you'll see some similarities in here. Okay, so you have the oversized picture windows right there. Perfect for during the day, bringing in that natural light. You see our nice modern sliders. Look at that. You got 20-foot ceilings in here in the great room. And then of course it opens up to the kitchen, and just look at this. Now let me turn you around. Look at that modern fireplace, floor to ceiling. So that extends 20 feet as well. You can see the second level right over there to the right. And then of course your primary suite is going to be over there to the left. You got your sliding door going into your garage. And then this is going to be where your powder bath would be. Look at that. Look how cool this is. So you got like a nice little slim mirror extended from floor to ceiling. And then you have the champagne bronze spout, but then you have the gold trim on the mirror frame. And this is a floating vanity. You got the accent lighting right underneath there. Really spacious. Then of course you got this modern mudroom. And I love that they added the white oak accent wall right back there. And of course, our 2-car garage. So you got a storage space over here, 2 tankless water heaters you get to take advantage of. Wow. And the number one comment that I always get is it just needs to be on land. But like I always mention, it makes sense if you need to be closer to the inner city. Okay, so this is unique. Look how gorgeous that is. So you have that arch right above there. Then you have the LED lighting that illuminates the shelving. You got your wine cooler down there, custom cabinetry that extends here. You got different materials. So you're going to see the quartz countertops on here to the left. And then right here is quartzite. So you got the quartzite countertops, at least on the island. And then you see that we got the cafe appliances. So look how sleek that looks. You got your black hardware. Open up some of these drawers for you. Look at the depth in there. And then that quartzite, you can tell something different on that. Let me know in the comments if you like quartzite or if you prefer quartz. Beautiful LED pendant lights hanging down right above our oversized island. Of course, the cafe dishwasher here, the trash drawers right over there to the right. This is exactly what you want in a home. Now, it really just depends. I know we all got personal tastes, so you might want a traditional home, but if it's something where you want modern, this is definitely going to be your best bet right here. So the quartzite over here to the left on the island, quartz that extends along this. You got this nice little backsplash right there. Got a 6-burner range. And of course, we won't leave open. We won't leave this. We'll make sure we open this for you. There we go. So we don't have any Sprite or anything like that. We got some water, but they can fill up down the road. Okay, so now you head to the pantry. You already got your built-in shelving, of course, right here. Ample space. And then you got a prep counter over here with your Whirlpool microwave. Same custom cabinetry from top to bottom. Let's see if this is open. I tried. Well, probably some storage right there. All right. So that's what I'm talking about. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking so far, and then I'll do a full pan right here so you can see a better layout. Okay. All right. So you'll have 2 bedrooms downstairs, 3 upstairs for a total of 5. Each one has their own bathroom attached to it, as you saw. Now we're going to our primary suite. Okay. Look how open and spacious this is. Family, that's a king size bed, 2 nightstands. You have additional sitting area over here. You have more room for some additional furniture in here, but this gives it that more minimal feel that we're definitely looking for, or a lot of folks are looking for. And the reason why earlier that I mentioned as far as being closer to the inner city, you're going to see that a lot as far as these lot sizes are concerned. This is, about 0.174 acres. So that'll just kind of give you a little bit of perspective. But, if it's something where you want to be closer to the inner city, but you need some more elbow room, possibly looking into, purchasing your own particular lot, maybe 2 or 3. And then, that way you have a little bit more room. But separating the ensuite, you're going to have this pocket door right here. Okay. So you got your floating vanity, quartz counters, custom cabinetry right above there. Beautiful backsplash. You got the accent lighting right down here. Plenty of space. Champagne bronze spout again. And of course, got our freestanding soaker tub. That's what I'm talking about. And then if you don't have enough cabinetry space, you got additional cabinets over there. Okay. Now you got 3 shower valves right here. Look at that oversized shower niche. You got your waterfall shower head straight above, right there on the ceiling. And then of course, 2 additional shower heads. Nice bench in here, fit as many people as you need to in there. None of my business. You got that zero threshold, that minimal, drain right there. Also love that. Of course, right here we got our water closet. Let me turn that on for you. And then what you've been waiting for is the closet. Look at this. Look how look how massive this is. Wow. So you got your LED chandelier hanging down right here. You got all the shelving that you would ever need. This also extends all the way to the ceiling, which I definitely love. You got your full body mirror straight ahead right there, right behind that door. And like I said, you got smart lighting. You already got your built-in security system in here. And then this is gonna, of course, extend or connect to your utility room that we saw earlier. And so you don't need to walk that far whatsoever to get the clothes washed. Love that. And of course, why not save some steps? And then we end up right back here in the foyer. But let's get you upstairs so that way you can see the second level. Ooh, ooh. All right. So as always, let's overlook our great room right here, see what we're working with. Okay. Like I said, 20-foot ceiling. So you get that illusion of a ton of space. I mean, it's not even an illusion. It's quite frankly a ton of space. So we'll start right over here to the right. So nice, spacious. You got the French doors here. This is going to lead to a media room, a game room, any room you want to make this. This wouldn't, you can make this as an exercise room. We talk about the children's retreat. And then I love that they kept the wood floorings extending here, but the French doors leading there. And then this is going to connect to a bathroom, but you are going to have a bar area over there. We'll get to that in a second. Look at this. So you already got your wet bar, popcorn machine, cotton candy machine, snow cone machine. You might make a mess with that snow cone machine right there. And speaking of that, I know the rodeo just came to Houston, or it's coming, or something similar to that. Should be there, if not now, by the time you see this video. So, get you some funnel cakes and all that stuff. I don't know why, the snow cone just brought me to that. So if you haven't, and let me know if you've checked out the Houston rodeo before, but this is gonna be the shower tub combo. I believe each bedroom up here, or at least each bathroom, is gonna have the shower tub combo. So I just wanna, preface this, but you got your quartz countertops. So you don't have the mirror frame. Let me know, do you like it without the mirror frame? Do you like the sleekness, the minimal feel? And like I said earlier, you are going to have that carpet inside these bedrooms. But let's go down here. Look how spacious this bedroom is. You don't have to worry. That closet that we saw was not the closet. You got a full walk-in closet for this room. So I love that they added that. So built-in shelving already ready to go. You got your carpet, extreme clean. So this one's been on the market, at least at the time of this recording, for about 10 days. So they've been getting a lot of interest. They're going to be doing an open house pretty soon. So this is something, if you want to be close to the city, like I said, this would be a good one. And the Avant group, they've done quite a bit. They have a few homes on the market right now. They're constantly, adding and selling homes to the market. So I highly recommend just, checking out their portfolio and seeing how you like their work. And then of course, this is their actual product. So based on what you're seeing, if you're liking what they're doing, you can obviously reach out and see if they could possibly build you a place, or just check out a few more of their listings and see what makes the most sense. And of course, that's if you're moving to Dallas or something like that. And then also I should, mention we are going to be in Florida in the next few days. So make sure you stay tuned for that. See what kind of homes we're bringing to you. And then also let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you prefer, Tampa homes, Orlando, Miami has some really good homes. I was, doing a little bit of research and wanted to make sure I'm bringing you the best that we can. And goodness, I was impressed. Now the price is, of course, substantially more, just because it's Miami, right? But I found Tampa and Orlando had more reasonable prices, so hopefully you'll enjoy those. Okay, so you saw that we had that ensuite right there. Now you head down this hallway. You're gonna have this storage closet right here, French doors. And then this will be your fifth and final bedroom right here. So the one thing that I've also noticed inside of this home, it's well illuminated. So you don't have to worry about that. This is certainly, right now, the sun has already set and you see how many lights are in here now. Of course, you want to be conscious of that electricity bill. But, just to know that you can have this extremely lit up. So the rooms are extremely spacious, even with the ensuite, you can see. Now this one's gonna have your full walk-in closet inside of the bathroom. You see, we already got our wooden racks, built-in shelving, and like I said, our last and final shower tub combo right here. But I love that they added the shower niche. You got like this linen-like tile surrounding this entire shower surround. Of course, you got all the cabinets you need in here. So storage is not gonna be a problem whatsoever in here. And of course the quartz countertops. So did you like this minimal feel, that, luxurious modernness? Did you like the way it's, staged and things like that? I think it's, fantastic. And like I said, I try my best to get you in the homes that are completely staged, right? But there's a lot. There's even one I did not too long ago. I'm gonna wait to, release it next couple days or so. But that one, it wasn't staged. However, once you see it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. It was mind blowing, I can say. All right, now last but not least, before it gets too dark, is to get you out of here, family. Okay. So on the front yard and the backyard, you are going to have fresh sod. So they added that. Of course, it's not completely green. We're just going through that freeze out here. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But you see, we still have a decent amount of space. I definitely appreciate that they added the privacy fence, which when we went along to a couple other places, you saw that it was completely open and things. So privacy is not one issue you'd have to deal with here. But you got your wood ceiling, plenty of patio space. Now down the road, if you wanted to build in, add in that built-in grill or just have a standalone grill, you can certainly do that. You already got your outlets right there. So if you wanted to add that television, you can certainly do that. And of course, you can see how much space we have out here. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful property tour. All right, Rankin family, that was it for this beautiful property tour. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular home. Is this something you could see yourself living in, or would you make any changes? If so, let me know in the comments. Of course, if you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information below. We'll get you taken care of. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.